Greetings and welcome to another video. In today's video I'm going to be explaining the exact steps on how to perform Neville Goddard's revision technique. This technique is what has helped me personally and has the best results for me, and now I'm going to share it with you. This is the ultimate detailed guide you need with a clear step-by-step procedure. Also, pay close attention to step number 3 because it is something we tend to forget regarding revision. But now it's time to get started. Step number 1. Generating a calm state. Generate a calm and relaxed state, so try laying somewhere comfortable and try to relax. Feel free to close your eyes if you feel like it. Now, don't forget you can always use SATs with revision as well, if you think this would be better for you. If you need more information about SATs, check out this video for more information. Now it's time for step number 2. Now, step number 2 involves reviewing the day from start to finish. As you lay relaxed with your eyes closed, start reliving your entire day without judgment. Think of the entire day from the moment that you woke up to the point where you retired during the day. Try to recall a detailed scene of the day without putting much effort. The more detailed the scene, the better. If you find any events that were not positive for you, proceed with step number 3. Now, step number 3 involves review your day without judgment. So you just review the day and you don't try to judge yourself about anything that happened during the day. After all, we are trying to revise it. Think about you, forgive yourself, and try to feel grateful. Appreciate yourself, and with a state of appreciation and thankfulness in your minds, relive the entire day. Step number 4. Rewrite the negative scenes. Now, in case you find any events that were displeasing for you, rewrite each scene inside your mind. What I mean by this is that you replay the negative scene not the way it happened, but how you wanted it to happen. Do it with all the scenes you encounter and rewrite them inside your mind. Repeat as many times as you wish, as long as the reimagined scene feels natural, as if it had happened in real life. Step number 5. Replace the negative scenes with the new positive ones. After rewriting the scenes inside your mind, review your day once again, but replace the old negative scenes with the new positive ones that you have created in your imagination. You could rewrite all the scenes if you wish, but for better results it would be better to rewrite the scenes one by one. When you are done, you should get a feeling of satisfaction and a positive feeling of accomplishment, and that you can fall asleep with this happy feeling. And that was the end of our video. If you enjoyed it, feel free to like, subscribe to the channel, and of course turn on the notification bell. Leave your questions and recommendations down in the comments, and of course stay tuned for the next one.